Ladies and gentlemen, CPI numbers came out and the markets went soaring. So it says stocks soar. S&P 500 hits highest level in 3 months after key report shows slowdown in inflation. So if this is your first time on Tim Ford, make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you enjoy financial media. This article further reads, the headline CPI for July rose 8.5% year over year and was flat compared to June. So if you can remember, in June we rose 9.1%. And like this says, economists were expecting increases of 8.7% and 0.2% respectively. Now, core inflation, which strips out food, energy prices, also saw a smaller than expected increase. Maybe we are topping, right? The relief and that relief rally in the market, and then the relief at the grocery stores, at the pump, etc. We can kind of see those things are playing out. Now, here we are looking at the fear and greed index here in cryptocurrency, and we are making significant progress, right? And I've shown you these things before where the price is coming from out of the red level or the red zone going into the orange zone. You can also see that within the stock market. Here's the fear and greed index of the stock market, which now shows neutral. So investors are becoming more and more confident and they are exposing more and more cash into the market. So here is a chart of Bitcoin, and we have mapped here the current structure that we are in. And so since breaking the structure to the downside, we never got a retest. So if we actually zoom in on where we are right now, and if we add here the fifth retracement here, then it looks like price could be moving back up to that 32.6K level, right? And so there's actually some significant resistance that occurred right here, right before we actually broke from that and we started this lower trend. And so zooming in a little further, what I'm expecting moving forward and what will happen is, given that CPI is showing that things are slowing, that high costs and the rising cost of everything is kind of slowing down. You can see it in the housing market, real estate. You can see more optimism in the stock market. You can also see it within crypto here with Bitcoin. We rose 3.10% or even higher. And so again, here's what I'm expecting. I'm expecting that now that things are looking like we're going to be getting that relief rally for the price to now come back up, right, which will bring us to the 28 up to 31,000 level, right? And then we will most likely come and consolidate that level and then come back down, retest, and then possibly move up higher. Now, the next CPI reading is in September. Today, October 10th, and so we still have a lot of meat in a month for us to make some gains here. And so you can also see it occurring in other cryptos as well. So here we have Ethereum. Ethereum also, we're looking at the current structure that we are in on this daily chart. And it seems like if we add this fib, that we're going to be coming back to that 50% retracement, which will bring it back to 22,031, right? You can see the volume is still kind of thin. And like I showed you, the fear and greed index still shows that there's a lot of fear in the market, right? There's always hesitation, right? When we've gone through such a harsh down period, people still don't have the full trust. But then these are the very moments that causes for you to miss out on the rally of a lifetime. So as long as you're paying attention, as long as you're subscribing to Brothers in Bitcoin, of course, right? We're going to always be talking about this. We're going to be bringing this into your attention. And so we're looking for trades. All right. So for further videos, we're going to be talking about active trades that I'm taking. And so be sure to stick around. All right. Until next time, peace.